So good day everyone. Today the purpose of this video is to show my understanding of measurement, unit conversion and problem solving and how these are applied in a real farm situation such as fencing a farm and estimating lumber requirements. So problem 1 is we have a rectangular farm has a length of 50 meters and a width of 30 meters. The farmer plans to fence the entire perimeter using barbed wire. Fence posts will be placed every 2 meters, including posts at the corners. So the given are shown right here. So a rectangular has 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So we add the length and the width, then multiply by 2. So we have the 50 meter plus 30 meter is equals to 80 meter. And 80 meter will multiply to 2. And it equals to 160 meters. So we have the perimeter of 160 meters. So meaning, if I walk around the farm once, I will walk 160 meters. So in every fence post is placed every 2 meters. So 160 meters divide to 2 meter is equals to 80. So we have the number of fence posts at 80 posts. So meaning, for every 2 meters around the farm, we place 1 post. So we need 80 posts in total. So why correct measurement is important? So its importance first, it avoids buying too many or too few materials. Second is it saves money and effort. And lastly, it makes sure the fence fully protects the farm. So now let's move on to the problem 1 and proceed to problem 2. The fence posts are made of wooden lumber measuring 2 inches multiplied to 4 inches and multiplied to 2 meters per post. So the given will show here. So fence post side equals to 2 inches multiplied to 4 inches and multiplied to 2 meters. So 1 meter equal to 3.28 feet. 28 feet. So the board feet formula uses feet, not meter. 2 meters times 3.28 feet is equals to 6.56 feet. So length of one post is 6.56 feet. So board feet for one fence post. So here's the formula will show right here. So board feet equals to thickness multiplied to width and multiplied to length. And also to divide to 12. 2 multiplied to 4 is equals 8. 8 multiplied to 6.56 is equals to 52.48. And 52.48 divide 12 is equals to 0.1.3. And we have one fence post at 4.37 board feet. So meaning, one wooden post needs 4.37 board feet of lumber. So, total board feet for all posts. From problem 1, we have 80 posts. So, 4.37 multiplied to 80 is equals to 349.6. So, we have the total lumber needed of 349.6 board feet.